so cool! Isn't it, Eevee? Eevee! Eevee! Yeah, that's great, Katie. If only I had an Eevee. Oh, it's okay. At least everyone else is happy. That's not cheering me up, Neon. Oh, sorry. Huh, on the bright side, you're unhappy. Chris, how is that at all good? I didn't say it was good for you, I meant for me. Gosh. Was it really that hard to expect? You know what, Chris? What, Nikki? Never mind. Good. Hey, what's going on? Why is it so suddenly cold? I think we're in a blizzard. A blizzard? It's the middle of summer. And we're in a forest. We better get moving. Dun 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 dun. Enter the blizzard. Da da da. Meow 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 meow. Hey, the blizzard stopped. I wonder if it was our random screaming and running around wildly. No, it probably wasn't. Let's go check it out. Whoa, it's completely frozen here. It's like something attacked it. Maybe it was Articuno or Suicune. Or Azelf! Azelf is a psychic type. Regirock? Rock type. Magikarp? That's a... Magikarp can only do Splash and maybe Tackle. But... what? Why would you even say that? I don't know, Chris! I don't know! Why would I say it? Gosh. I just need to change. Wow, you did that fast. Do you wear that under your clothes? Psh, no. Okay. But don't I look stylish? Yeah, Katie. Hey! Hello there. It's a ghost! Don't worry, Katie, I'll protect you. I've come for your souls. Ah, protect me! Oh, wow, you're so heroic. It's probably not even a ghost. I bet it's just some loser pretending to be one. Hey, that's mean! This isn't any loser. I'm Blizz. Blizz? Yeah, like Blizzard Mammothswine. Oh, never heard of you. Yeah, nope, never heard of you. You're another loser to me. You know, that's kind of hurtful. But what happened to all the snow? Oh, this is Swinub. Swinub! It's not very good at controlling its ice powers, but it's very strong. Wait, let me clean this up. Chikorita, Feel, come on out. Chica! Feel! Alright, Chikorita, sunny day. Chica! There we go. Da-na-na, da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Blizz caught a Swinub and a Chikorita and a Feel. Come on, Spheel, return. It's a little hot out for Spheel. So, it's been really nice. It's really nice to meet you guys. What's your names? I'm Katie. I'm Nikki. I'm Chris. I'm Neon. Well, I'm Blizz, as you know, and yeah, I was just out exploring and training because we're about to go to the first gym to get our first gym badge. What a coincidence! We're going to get our first gym badge. Blah blah blah. Why don't you come with us? Blah blah blah. I'm high-pitched voice and annoying. Chris, that was uncalled for. Yeah, well, I felt I needed to do that. Oh well, I'd love to join you. Eevee, Eevee, Chica, Eevee, Chica, Chikorita, come back. We should go help him. Why? It's the right thing to do. I'll stop being annoying. Okay, cool. And I'll show Swinub some real training. Oh, yeah. I'll just stay here. Chica, Chica, Chica. Eevee, Eevee, Eevee. Chikorita, stop playing over here. We need to train. Eevee. Hey, what the heck is this? I think it's a swamp. Oh, great. The last time it was in some sort of strange water stuff, we sank. Hey, we're sinking! Oh, not again! And this time I'm dying with you. No! Hold your breath! Chica! Eevee! Alright, let's go, Cyndaquil. There's nothing this Swinub can do. Swinub! Wow! That was one strong earthquake. Return, Cyndaquil. Wow. Well, that's one strong Swinub. Yeah. I'm gonna go check on and see how my Eevee is. Okay. I'll be training this Swinub like he's never been trained before. Swine! Oh, there you are, Eevee. Come on, we need to go. I know it's been fun, but come on. Eevee, Chica. What the? It's raining? Oh no. Rain? This is a swamp? Squirtle, Squirtle. This Squirtle must have been causing the rain. Squirtle, Squirtle. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Chica! Eevee! Squirtle! The swamp! I'm starting to sink! Teddy Ursa! Quickly! Get them! Bring back Eevee, whatever you want! Teddy Ursa! Teddy! 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 Squirtle! Squirtle! Chica! Eevee! Teddy! 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 Squirtle! Chica! Eevee! Teddy! 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 Squirtle! Chica! Teddy! Squirtle! Eevee! Chica! Teddy! Teddy Ursa! Teddy! 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 Excellent, my minion! You have brought back the species I crave. Teddy! Wahahaha! Wahaha! Okay, Swinub, so you may have some skill, but I'm not going down without another fight, even though this is the... Let's see, carry the 5 times 200... Oh wow, this is the 37th time you've beaten me, but I'm not gonna give up, just because you've beaten me so many times tonight. Swinub! Swinub! Swinub, where are you going? You can't leave, I'm supposed to help you! Oh, great. Cyndaquil, can you move? Oh, right, you fainted. Well, then, it looks like it's up to Wooper. Oh, wow, this is going to be scary. What will happen? What the heck is that? To be continued. What, does that mean we're not going to find out this episode? What a chip. You know, if I had any mind, I'd tell the creator right now he's a big, fat